welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and this time we are making English scones. This was a specific request, so let's get started.
Let's start with our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons butter, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of milk. Add all your dry ingredients first, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and mix briefly. Now cut in your butter. You can do this with 2 knives, a pastry cutter, or your hands, like I did. Choose your favorite method, but in the end, you should have the consistency of wet sand. Finally, add the milk and stir it in with a spoon. The dough should be quite sticky. Then, on a lined baking sheet, add a dusting of flour and press the dough onto it. Adding a bit of flour to the top. Then cut the scones with a circle cutter. You can also use a cup. Cut them all out and remove the dough between the circles and separate them a bit. Now you can also press pieces of dough onto your baking tray. That's what I did with the leftover dough. No waste. Bake these at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. These are lovely. They can be opened and are traditionally served with jam and clotted cream. In case you were wondering, these are very similar to buttermilk biscuits, but are made with a bit of sugar and with milk instead of buttermilk. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.